In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Venmo balance to your bank account. So Venmo is a peer-to-peer payments app, but it also has things like a card and crypto to spend your balance now. However, you can use Venmo to receive payments and then transfer that to your bank account if that's what you want to do. So when you're on the Me tab in the bottom right corner, you're going to be able to see your Venmo balance and your crypto balance. If you want to see how to purchase Bitcoin on Venmo, check out my other videos. So I'm going to transfer this $75 in my Venmo balance to my bank account. I'm going to tap this blue transfer button in the middle of the screen, and this is going to give us some options. I could select instant within a few minutes, but then I would be paying a $1.31 fee, so I don't like to do instant transfers. Just pick the 1 to 3 business days with 0 fee, and then select the transfer button on the bottom of the screen. There we go, transfer initiated. And now that money is on its way to my bank account, and it should be there in 1 to 3 days. Hope you guys found this helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.